Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm going to pull out two more things from this bag that I opened my boy the other day. Okay, let's open these girls up and show you who I got. Everything's changing. You know, the world's ever changing, and sometimes we don't like it. Sometimes it's for the greater good. Let's see. Yep. Okay. Oh boy, the box kind of popped. Look how cute. These were on the front cut. You know what? Let me cut this one first. And then I will cut the rest of her stuff. Kind of dangerous with these. Here we go. I love these Blythe dolls from AliExpress. I mean, I love them, and I have many. I probably have more of these than a lot of people have in their whole doll collection. I love them. But things are changing. The prices went up, and with the new tariffs coming, I bought, well, these were on this was before the tariffs. These were on the front page. I think I paid, oh gosh, they were inexpensive overall. Gosh, I know they were less than 15. I think they were less than 13. And these are the girls that had the teeth. Can you see all the teeth there, Darren? Mm-hmm. Isn't that adorable? Great big open smile. So cute. Blonde hair, blue eyes. Oh no, gray eyes. Oh no, pink eyes. Oh, pink eyes. Sounds like a disease. And brown. So I kind of like the brown, don't you? Oh, I like that. Very pretty dolls. And I got them ×2. It was such a good price. These open smile dolls have always been expensive. I have two, and I probably paid for one what I paid for these two when I bought them. And let's check her eyes. Inspired by Pink Renee is having a, what is she calling it? Double take, or yeah, I think it's double take, doll twinning on the 20th of April, 22nd of April. And you can go to her channel, Inspired by Pink Renee, and learn more about it. Now, will I use these dolls? Probably not. I'll probably keep one out and put one in my stash. I have a stash of these dolls for when collabs come up and we want to do face-ups, although I don't think they need face-ups. Let's see if she has eyebrows. Oh, she does. Gosh, she's just adorkable. I bet I can't get this back on. Anyway, most of us doll collectors have two of the same dolls of one sort or another. By accident or by design, most of us have the same doll twice. And Renee's just asking you to join in her challenge to show two of your dolls together. What did I say she called it? Double trouble.
Double take.
Double take, yeah, that's what it is. Double take. So I am going to plan to participate, but probably not with these little cuties, although, God, they're really cute. Keeping one out for sure. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Would you please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel.